are a team of four members that includes Princeton, Nishal, and then Satya. We've taken case four as a project with a multi agent kind of a tool to build something which we kind of name it as a disaster management tool. So, the main idea behind our project is to help 911 responders in situations where, let's say, there is an earthquake or some kind of tornado. For the sake of use case, we've used Bloomington as the city where a tornado is happening at the moment. So, as you can see, you have this map with different kinds of dots. So you have yellow dots, which shows that it is a medical emergency, a blue dot, which shows that it is a police, and a red dot somewhere here that shows that it is a fire emergency. So when I run this particular